factors do you consider most when choosing a supplier? To meet Michael and welcome to Michael to channel. So the first question is that, so Michael, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name's Michael, as Bonnie said.
Okay, and where are you from?
We are based in Atlanta, Georgia, in the United States.
Okay, so this is your first time to Shenzhen, right?
First time to Shenzhen, that's right.
Okay, hope you have a good experience.
Yes, it's been
great. So the second question is that, can you introduce that what your company do?
Makes connected devices for running and cycling.
Yeah, okay, cool. So another question is that, what factors do you consider most when choosing a supplier?
Mostly communication.
Communication.
And delivery timing.
Delivery time.
Yes. It's also important that the quality of the products is very good, but typically we move quickly and we have fast development windows, so we need suppliers who can also move quickly.
Okay, so let me make a conclusion. So that the communication is very important and move fast.
Right.
And move fast is the key point, right? Another point is that it have a fast leading time and the price and the good quality, right? So the price and is not the key point. It's not the most important when you choose the factories to cooperate.
No, I mean all of the factors are important. I would say price is not the most important one.
Yeah, so the communication and yes, and move quickly.